You know how dogs get super excited when they see you eat something? They activate those super adorable puppy eyes that instantly make you want to share some of your food with them. Well, you should be careful about that. Dogs have voracious appetites and different metabolisms from us. Therefore, certain foods that are really healthy for us can prove harmful to our furry friends. Moreover, dogs don't know when to stop eating, so they can swallow large quantities of foods that are toxic for them. In today's video, we will talk about 20 foods that can kill your dog if eaten in large quantities. Keep these foods out of your little pal's reach, and everything will be all right. Let's jump in. Number 1, alcohol. Of course, you will not let your dog get drunk on purpose. We're not thinking about that. However, alcohol can be found in many other products, from mouthwash to cleaning products and perfumes. Even a small amount of alcohol can prove fatal for them. Symptoms: vomiting, poor breathing, terrible muscle coordination. Cure: immediate veterinary care, inducing vomiting, administering activated charcoal, and supportive care. Number 2, avocados. Avocados contain a fungicidal toxin called persin. It is safe for humans, but not for dogs. It could cause fluid to accumulate in the dog's lungs and chest, making it difficult for them to breathe. Make sure they never find avocado pits on the floor. Symptoms: breathing difficulty due to fluid accumulation in the lungs and chest. Cure: immediate veterinary attention, possibly oxygen therapy and supportive care. Number 3, bacon. The average American consumes 18 pounds of bacon each year. However, that could prove extremely harmful to the average dog. Dogs love bacon, but bacon is high in fat and salt, leading to pancreatitis in dogs, a disorder caused by the inflammation of the pancreas. Symptoms: vomiting, diarrhea, pancreatitis. Cure: veterinary care to treat pancreatitis, a low-fat diet, and supportive care. Number 4, caffeine. Coffee, tea, cocoa, even some soft drinks are a no-no for dogs. They contain caffeine, which can speed up your dog's heart rate to extremes. Caffeine can lead to unusual heart rhythm and lung failure. Symptoms include unusual thirst, restlessness, poor bladder control, vomiting, and diarrhea. To cure caffeine poisoning, you should induce vomiting, administer activated charcoal, provide IV fluids, and ensure close monitoring. Number 5, cat food. It might seem all the same to us, but cat food and dog food are quite different. Cats and dogs have different dietary needs. Cats are carnivores by nature, while dogs are omnivores. Therefore, cat food is more meat-based, high in fat and protein. In low amounts, it won't do much harm, but long-term consumption can cause gastrointestinal upset, sickness, and diarrhea for your dog. Symptoms include gastrointestinal upset, sickness, and diarrhea. The cure involves switching back to dog food, providing a balanced diet, and monitoring. Number 6, chocolate. Whenever you open a bar of chocolate, your pooch will come sniffing about and giving you those adorable puppy eyes. They love it as much as we do. However, chocolate can be deadly for dogs. It contains certain chemicals that they simply cannot digest, leading to severe health issues. Symptoms include diarrhea, vomiting, dehydration, internal bleeding, and seizures. To cure chocolate poisoning, you should induce vomiting, administer activated charcoal, provide IV fluids, and offer supportive care. Number 7, citrus oil. Does your dog come wagging his tail when he sniffs you eating oranges? Does he like to lick the orange juice from your fingers? It's okay. Nevertheless, cold-pressed citrus oil, used in many essential oils, can lead to liver failure in dogs. Symptoms: liver failure cure. Avoid exposure, provide supportive care and liver protectants if ingestion occurs. Number 8, cooked bones. I know what you're thinking, no, not bones. Well, not all bones are bad for your dog, just the cooked ones. When they're cooked, they are more likely to splinter, causing severe injuries to your dog's digestive system. Symptoms: mouth injuries, inflammation, perforation of the intestinal tract. Cure: immediate veterinary attention, possible surgery to remove bone fragments. Number 9, dairy dogs are usually lactose intolerant. Therefore, milk, cheese, or any other dairy products can cause major stomach issues. They might not be fatal, but although they can lead to diarrhea, vomiting, and other gastrointestinal troubles. Symptoms: diarrhea, vomiting, gastrointestinal troubles. Cure: avoid dairy products, provide lactose-free options, and supportive care. Number 10. Fat trimmings. Don't feed your dog the fat you've trimmed off meat. They might love it, but it's not good for them. Raw fat can cause serious digestive issues and pancreatitis in dogs. Symptoms include diarrhea, vomiting, and pancreatitis. The cure? Avoid feeding fat trimmings, provide a balanced diet, and offer supportive care. Number 11. Garlic. Garlic is toxic for dogs because of a compound called thiosulfate. Our furry friends cannot digest this compound, and it builds up in their bloodstream, causing their blood cells to rupture. Symptoms include ruptured blood cells and anemia. The cure? Immediate veterinary care, blood transfusions, and supportive care. Number 12. Leeks and onions. Just like garlic, onions and leeks can also affect your dog's red blood cells, causing severe anemia. It can take several days before the symptoms reveal themselves. Symptoms include anemia and weakness. The cure? Avoid these vegetables, provide supportive care, and possibly blood transfusions. Number 13. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are extremely fatty. They are rich in minerals, vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, but they can severely irritate your dog's stomach. Symptoms include nausea, diarrhea, severe weakness, and even temporary paralysis. The cure involves inducing vomiting, providing IV fluids, and supportive care. Number 14. Mustard. Mustard is not lethal in small quantities. However, it can cause serious stomach unrest in dogs. In fact, some vets use it to induce vomiting in dogs. Symptoms to watch for are serious stomach unrest and vomiting. If advised by a vet, induce vomiting and provide supportive care. Number 15. Nutmeg. Nutmeg contains myristicin, a naturally occurring compound that can cause severe neurological symptoms in dogs. Symptoms include hallucinations and seizures. The cure requires immediate veterinary care, inducing vomiting, and providing supportive care. Number 16. Peaches. The pits of peaches contain amygdalin, a cyanogenic glucoside. If your pooch chews on several peach pits, he will get in trouble as amygdalin releases cyanide in the bloodstream. Symptoms include cyanide poisoning and choking. The cure involves immediate veterinary care, inducing vomiting and supportive care. Number 17. Raisins and grapes. Raisins and grapes can prove toxic for dogs. Even a few of these can send your dog to the emergency room with kidney failure. Symptoms include kidney failure, excessive thirst, and little to no pee. The cure requires immediate veterinary care, inducing vomiting, providing IV fluids, and supportive care. Number 18. Rhubarb. Rhubarb is a perennial vegetable that is very sweet and can be found in ice creams, pancakes, or cocktails. However, it contains oxalic acid, which can cause severe kidney damage in dogs. Symptoms include kidney failure, extreme drooling, diarrhea, vomiting, and tremors. The cure involves immediate veterinary care, providing supportive care and possibly IV fluids. Number 19. Salt. Did you know that dogs can die from salt poisoning? Excessive salt intake can lead to salt poisoning, which is extremely dangerous for dogs. Symptoms include depression, tremors, diarrhea, vomiting, fever, and seizures. The cure requires immediate veterinary care, providing IV fluids and supportive care. Number 20. Xylitol. Xylitol is naturally found in fruits and vegetables like raspberries, strawberries, cauliflower, or mushrooms. It is also used to sweeten certain baked goods, candy, chewing gums, even toothpaste. This sugar alcohol can cause a sudden drop in blood sugar levels and liver damage. Symptoms include weakness, vomiting, difficulty moving, and seizures. The cure involves immediate veterinary care, providing IV fluids and monitoring blood sugar levels. The bottom line. Our furry little friends have their own dietary needs. Some foods that are extremely healthy for us can prove lethal for them. The best way to avoid any food poisoning is to stick to dog food. Treat them with some human food on very rare occasions. When you sit down to eat, give them a small canine treat or some wet food to keep them occupied. It's for the best. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Your wellness is our mission.